Well, I'm sort of like a research scientist. I'm not a scientist in the strictest sense, more research. Research has to take a number of different areas into consideration. If I get into pathology and psychopathology or pathophysiology, I have to take areas of philosophy, psychology, and there's just so many different areas you have to take into consideration when you're studying, let's say, bipolar one, manic episode, or mental disorders, or mental disease as a whole. This is not supposed to be an intellectual show. This is supposed to.
Come on, man.
I didn't want to come here and have this discussion. Man. I
Listen,
wanted to do this.
listen. I don't know what to say, but some of this stuff I don't get. I told you that already. But like, what can you teach me? Like, what's the most vital thing I need to know with your knowledge? Like, what if you
I
could
don't.
teach me anything? What would you teach me?
Not really teach, but just man. I think you are extraordinary, my friend. And
Say, hey, you want to discuss semantic ambiguity? Let's discuss homonym, homophone, homograph, heteronym, heterograph, polysemy, monosemy, capitonym, paronym, hyphonym, meronym, holonym, or hyphonym. Let's discuss the difference between verbal irony and verbal sarcasm. Let's discuss dramatic, situational, verbal, tragic, and Socratic irony.